Okay, so this is where I always go here at Fremont Hotel, Quick Lanai. Lanai Express, delicious food. So they have nice, delicious food. Chinese, like Panda Express. Okay, so it's time for Chinese food. Sweet and sour chicken, and with some rice and Mountain Dew, ano ba to? Mountain Dew Lemonada. Mountain Dew Lemonade and some milk. Ang outcome ay parang Yakult. Yakult ang kanyang lasa. O, diba? Sarap pa rin yun. Yung pagsamahin yung, yung soft drink at saka milk. Nagbaon ako ng milk din. Kanina malaki yun eh. Kaso yung natira, nilagay ko na lang dito para maliit lang ang container. Yan, parang Yakult na rin ang lasa pala. Beef broccoli.